Alright, so this is gonna be the first video of how to fix basically like a misfire on your Honda Pilot, Acura, MDX, or all the cars that have a J series. There are some cars out there like the Saturn, some type. It comes with the J series as well. We have a misfire basically on all 6 cylinders, but the one that it's popping out the most is this one right here. Forgot what number it is, but if you count it down from the front side of the car, it will be the 3rd one starting from the front of the engine. This is the front, so that's 1, 2, and 3. This is number 3. This is the one that's bad. I'm gonna try to take it out and swap it over here onto this side and see if it changes. And I'm gonna just crank it back up and see if the misfire moved. And if it didn't, the problem is it's inside the chamber because I already replaced the coil. Check compression. It's a little bit low. Well, it is low, but now if it would have been like super low, then the spark plug, once you pull the spark plug out, if the car's been running, it's gonna be like pretty much like wet. It's gonna have a lot of fuel on it and it's gonna smell like fuel. Took it out and didn't smell like nothing, so I'm guessing that the injector is not working. It's messed up, or it's in the wire. Could be, but we're gonna see.